Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can create a Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas in your home on a Dollar Tree budget. Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you're new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And like I said, I am going to be sharing with you guys how you can create a Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas in your home on a Dollar Tree budget. Now, Ralph Lauren Christmas is like the biggest trend right now, and normally I don't go into Christmas trends. I just decorate the way that I like, but I really like this Ralph Lauren Christmas trends because when I see the Ralph Lauren trends, what I see is reds, greens, golds, and it reminds me of classic 90s Christmas. And really when I saw it, I thought of Home Alone. Like that was the first thing that I thought of. That's my favorite movie to watch during the Christmas season, 1 and 2. After the 2, I don't watch the other ones, but the original 1 and 2 with Macaulay Culkin, those are my go-to Christmas movies to watch. And when I look at the Ralph Lauren collection or the Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas that everybody's sharing online, it really reminds me of classic Christmas in the 90s, and it reminds me of Home Alone. So I really wanted to get into this trend and do some DIYs and decorate my home with this trend because it just gave me nostalgia of how I grew up. And sometimes, you know, I get the good feelings when you remember how you grew up because yes, I love the modern and decorating like that, but sometimes I like to go back to classic Christmas of my childhood and share that with my kids. So I have some ideas for you guys. I have some DIYs to share with you guys, but I also have some ideas where you could just grab some things at Dollar Tree that's already made. You really don't have to do too much to it, and it reminds me of the Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas. So let's just jump right into this video. So one item that I've been seeing all over that people have been DIY, and I actually seen Do It on a Dime DIY her version of this, was the Ralph Lauren hurricane vases. That the large one is $900 and the medium sized one is $600, which we're not going to pay that, guys. But I've been seeing a lot of people try to do their versions of that, and I wasn't going to make this as a DIY until I saw these candles at Dollar Tree. And once I saw these new candles at Dollar Tree, I knew that I could take them and turn them into this DIY and make it my own version. And then I saw these other candlesticks at Dollar General for just $1, and I was like, oh my god, I can make 2 versions of this DIY. So in this DIY, I'm going to share with you guys my version of DIYing these Ralph Lauren hurricane vases 2 ways. So what you'll need for these DIYs is you'll need 2 yo-yos that you can find in the toy section at Dollar Tree. You're also going to need 2 of the clear candlesticks that you can find in the home decor section at Dollar Tree. And then what you're going to need is the large hurricane vases that you can find in the Dollar Tree Plus section. This one is $3. I had a bunch of these left over from my daughter's skiing set I told you guys, so I'm super excited that I could reuse them for this DIY. And then the first thing I did was I took some painter's tape that you can also get at Dollar Tree and started marking off where I wanted to cover on the candlestick because I am going to spray paint the bottom gold. And I'll also be spray painting the candlesticks and the yo-yos gold as well. Once the paint has dried, I'm going to take the candlestick and glue it to the bottom of the hurricane vase with a mixture of the hot glue and also that adhesive glue that I get at Dollar Tree that I tell you guys is just as good as E6000 glue. It's in the tools section, and I use this glue all the time for all of my projects. The next thing I did was I wanted to add some gold touches to the rim of the hurricane vase because in the original Ralph Lauren hurricane vases, they had gold on the top of the rim as well. So at first I started with this gold pen that I had, but it wasn't, the paint wasn't sticking onto the rim like I wanted it to. So I found this gold paint at Walmart. It's a metallic gold paint in the craft section, and I used that to rim the rim of the hurricane vase with a tiny paintbrush that I got from Dollar Tree. This was really hard for me because, as you guys know, when I always tell you on my DIYs, my hands are very shaky. I'm always like, I don't know why, but my hands are so shaky. So whenever I have to do details like this on a small space, I always get nervous. But it actually came out really, really well. And even though my hands were shaky, it was very forgiving. After you do a couple coats, you can see that it you can easily fix your mistakes. And when you do have glass, you can easily like use a razor or your fingernail to kind of take off the spots that you did a little bit more paint on. So it's very forgiving when you're painting on glass, but that's what I use. I just use this gold metallic paint that I found at Walmart. Once the paint was dry on the yo-yos, I attached it to the bottom of the hurricane vase, just like I did the other one with the candlestick. Here's how the candle turned out once I painted it and took off the painter's tape. It looks beautiful on its own. I just love how it looks, and it even looks even more gorgeous when I turn on the light. Look how beautiful this looks. I'm in love with it. Now, at first I was going to keep this candle the same gold that it was, but it just didn't match the gold, so I decided to spray paint that as well. This is how the hurricane vase looks when it's all done without the candle inside it, and it looks beautiful on its own. But this one I decided to add the thick candle because I felt like that matched better with the yo-yo base, and this is how it looks together. It looks so beautiful. And then this is how it looks all lit up. Again, I love the light on this one. It's so beautiful, so you can have it just like this or lit up. Now with this one, with the skinny candlestick, I felt like this one from Dollar General went better with it. I feel like the bottoms just fit the top of the candlestick better, but I don't like the light on this one. I share with you guys when I share with you guys in my Christmas haul, and I shared this candle with you guys. I don't like the lights. It's like the sparkly, all the different color lights. I wish it was like the other one, so I probably won't be lighting this one up, but you can if you want to, but I'm just not a fan of these lights. But I love how these DIY hurricane vases came out. I like my version better. I'm glad that I came up with two different versions to have two different heights, and I think that you can achieve this look for much less. I mean, I'm not paying $900 for one hurricane vase, or even $600. So I'm glad that I recreated mine with Dollar Tree products and stuff from Dollar General, and I just love how these came out. Now you can use these to decorate any part of your home for Christmas, but you can also put it on your tablescape. This is how I have it on my dining room table right now, but this is not the finished look of my dining room table. I have some other DIYs coming your way that I'm going to use to add to this tablescape, so stay tuned. So I'll be adding those, but this is just an idea of where you guys can put it in your home, or how you guys can have it set up on your dining room table. So another thing I noticed when it comes to Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas decor is gold candlesticks for the dining room table or in your home. And you can easily achieve this with the Dollar Tree candlesticks. Now Dollar Tree has these candlestick holders. They have them in a bunch of different designs, but I like this one, and I was actually excited because this was the first time that I found 3 of them. There were the 3 different heights that had the same base and the same top, because sometimes you'll find them and they'll have different bases and different tops, and then they'll have the 3 different sizes you want, but they just want to, you know, the matching, it won't match the bases or the top. So I was super excited that the other day when I went to the store, I was able to find ones that had the same base and the same top. So I got these, and you can keep them the gold that it comes with, but I did not like the gold that it came with. Plus the tall one seemed like it was a little bit darker, so I used the same spray paint that I used for the hurricane vases, and so it can match all together as well, and spray painted these 3, and then I had them in my entranceway, as you can see here, and I added white candles to them, and I think they came out so gorgeous. You can easily add these to your tablescape and your dining room table, but I have some other ideas for that one, so that's why I didn't do it. So this is in my entranceway, and I love how it came out. I used Dollar Tree candles as well, the swirl ones, the white ones. This would also look good with the red candles, but I wasn't able to find another pack of red candles. I only have one pack that had 2 in it, so I wasn't able to add it, but I was okay with it because I didn't want the red of the red candles to not match the red of the table runner that I have on this table, so I was okay with the white. But this came out so beautiful and is way less expensive than the ones that you would find at Ralph Lauren or anywhere else. Another easy thing that you can do to achieve the Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas in your home is to take your favorite ornaments. I found these dollar nutcrackers at Dollar General and just spray paint them gold. You can take any of the ones you find at Dollar Tree, any of the ones you find at Walmart or Dollar General that are just $1, spray paint them gold, add them to your tree, and this gives you an instant Ralph Lauren look on a budget. Another popular trend when it comes to a Ralph Lauren Christmas is plaid anything, especially plaid pillows, and they do have some pillows on their website that are quite expensive, and even on Pottery Barn they have some plaid pillows that are quite expensive as well, and you can make that for much less with Dollar Tree items. Now on my channel a while back I shared with you guys how I created 2 Dollar Tree plaid pillows, Christmas pillows, with the placemats from Dollar Tree, and I even added a gold reindeer on top of it with the gold sticker paper the Dollar Tree has as well, and this was such a hit. Everybody loved this. I actually gave it as gifts, and this gives you that Ralph Lauren look on a budget. I also made these sets of pillows 2 years ago with some other placemats that they had that year at Dollar Tree. But this year I saw the Dollar Tree had these new placemats that also had like a little line of plaid, but they were white and they said home for the holidays, which I loved. And I decided I wanted to make some more pillows with those. But I did something different this year. I saw on TikTok this lady used one placemat and actually just ripped the seams of the corner of the placemat and just stuffed it and then just glued it back together and made the pillow with that, which I thought was genius, because instead of buying 2 placemats, you just need one and you can achieve the same look with the pillows and save money. So you can do it either way. You could take 2 placemats and glue them together. You could take 1 placemat and make sure you just cut the seam, cut a corner off of the seams and then glue it back together. But you can achieve these plaid pillows for much less with Dollar Tree placemats or any placemats you find anywhere else, and you can even cut them into squares if you want that square look as well. And this is how the new pillow looks on my couch. I put it with all the other pillows that I had from before. Now, if you guys notice those 2 red pillows at the end of my couch, I actually have those as those are pillow covers that I got from Amazon. You guys have seen the orange ones that I used during the fall time. I also got the red one. They come in a bunch of different colors. These look so similar to the one that I saw on the Ralph Lauren website that they have. And look at the price of the one on the Ralph Lauren website. You're not going to pay that, and that's the actual pillow for one. And you can get the pillow covers, 4 of them, for less than that price. And I'll link it down below for you guys if you guys want to get it. Again, it comes in a bunch of colors, so you can use it for all different holidays. So another Ralph Lauren Christmas decor idea that I've been seeing is these beautiful picture frames and pictures in it, or plaid picture frames, different types of ways that you can share different type of Christmas pictures and different frames. So I kind of wanted to do my hand at that as well. So I found these gold picture frames at Dollar Tree, and I didn't like the gold on it. I felt like it was a little bit too yellow. So I did spray paint them the same spray paint that I have been doing on my other DIYs, because I wanted to give it more of the Ralph Lauren feel. And I feel like this yellow feel is kind of like fake looking. It's more for like Halloween decor, I feel, but it's not good for like Christmas high-end decor. So I spray painted those. Then I found some bags at Dollar Tree, some gift bags at Dollar Tree, and also some at Dollar General. And the only reason why I spent $3 at the one at Dollar General is because they had 2 pictures in it that I really liked. These weren't my first choice. I know that in the past I've been to the stores and I've seen much nicer picture frames or bags or gift wrapping paper that looks a little bit more like hand painting, and unfortunately for this DIY I wasn't able to find it. But these 2 that I chose, I felt like were the most similar to the the style that I've been seeing, where it comes with a plaid and where it comes with that beautiful winter scene. And so I decided to try these 2, and I love the way that they came out. Then I saw this huge gift bag at Dollar Tree that I shared with you guys in my Christmas haul, and I loved how it had the old classic Santa with the reindeer, and I thought this would be perfect to put in a picture frame. And I found this picture frame at Dollar Tree. This is like the largest picture frame that Dollar Tree has. I was trying to go to Goodwill and the thrift stores to find a nicer picture frame that had more details, kind of like the picture frames that I share with you guys at a better price, but I wasn't able to find any. So this was the only one I could find that was the biggest size at Dollar Tree, so I put it in this frame. But I feel like it came out pretty as well. Another popular style in the Ralph Lauren Christmas is their plaid plate decor sets, and you can find this similar look at Dollar Tree as well. It's not the exact look, but it is similar, and you can add gold touches to them if you want to at the bottom. Make sure it's not the part where people put their food on. But they have the cups, the plates, the bowls, and I even share with you in store how you can do a table setting with the red charger and the large plate and the small plate. I didn't purchase this myself because I don't personally put plates on my dining table. I just feel like that's too much clutter, but I did want to share with you guys an idea of how you guys can set up a beautiful tablescape in your home. These candles right here are super popular on the Ralph Lauren website, but guys, who is going to be paying this much money for this little candle? I'm definitely not. I was so excited though when I went to Dollar Tree and saw the exact same type of candles, the red and the green, and they also have a beige one. You can give these as gifts, or you can have them in your home for yourself as well. This candle right here from Ralph Lauren is so gorgeous, but I'm definitely not going to spend that money for it when I know the Dollar Tree always has similar candles to this in their Dollar Tree Plus section for $3 and $5. Of course, they're not the exact same one, but you could definitely get similar looking ones, and you can even take those and add a gold detail to the bottom if you want to DIY it to give it a similar look. But I found so many candles for $3 and $5 at Dollar Tree with that similar look that smell good, so I would definitely rather get the Dollar Tree one than the Ralph Lauren one. These candle holders right here, I wanted to give them a Ralph Lauren inspired look, so I took the metal part off and I found this plaid ribbon at Dollar Tree that goes with the style of Ralph Lauren right now, and I tied it around the rim of it and made a bow on it, and it came out so beautiful. And especially when I light this up, when you guys see my house tour, my Christmas house tour, I will share with you guys where I put this and how it looks lit up. It's perfect. It's by our TV, so when we have our Christmas movie nights, we can use them to light the room, and I think they just came out absolutely gorgeous. Really simple, really easy, but it gives it a Ralph Lauren inspired touch. You guys have seen these reindeers on my channels before. I've DIY'd them and made them more modern, but if you're going for that plaid look, you can definitely just pick these up and decorate them as is, and they'll give you that Ralph Lauren look. When I was looking at Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas decor, I've been seeing a lot of gold bells, and I know Dollar Tree has a lot of different kind of bells that they could look plasticky and kind of fake. This gold bell, to me, I actually like the color gold of it, and it looks actually nice to me if you take all that, you know, plastic stuff off. So that's what I did. I took all that plasticky stuff off and just left it bare, and it looks really, really nice. And this is the bell that you were seeing in most of the DIYs I was sharing with you as staging, and you can use this to decorate your home as well. Another item that you were seeing in the pictures as I was staging the DIYs was the plaid book, and all I did was I took a book from Dollar Tree, removed its cover, and then I added this plaid wrapping that I got from Walmart for 97 cents, guys. And you can easily make a book that could be decor, and you could put it anywhere. I also took this wrapping paper and decided to use it for this jewelry holder that I found at Five Below for $5. This thing is so beautiful, but it doesn't have any backing to it, so I thought that it would be really cute if I changed out the backing to go with the holidays. So I used this wrapping paper to decorate it for, you know, Christmas time, and I put it in my room, and it looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. I can't wait to share with you how both of them look on either side of my mirror when it comes to when I share with you guys my house tour. But I love this, and I plan to, every time there's a holiday or different themes that I decorate my room with, I plan to change out the paper so that I can make this look like a nice decor piece, but it's also a jewelry organizer. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY was your favorite, and are you decorating for that Ralph Lauren look for Christmas, or do you have some other traditional like themes that you go for? Let me know in the comments down below. Share the pictures of how you guys are decorating your house for Christmas, because I love getting ideas from you guys, and I love sharing ideas because it's like we're kind of like friends, you know, sharing our you know, our ideas with each other, and I always get the best ideas from you guys, and I love seeing how you guys put the DIYs that I create and put your spin on it and make it a different way, and it just gives me ideas for other DIYs. So definitely share with me all of your decor this year that you're doing. Share with me pictures of your home. I love to get ideas from you guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.